Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we have completed almost 12 videos. Start November last year. So we have till now knowledge about 8 different zones, which comprises of water element, air element, as well as the fire element, right? So now we will uh, talk about the last zone of the fire element, which is a very important zone when it comes to um, your name and fame, how well you can sleep, okay, and the ultimate satisfaction or relaxation that you get in your life from anything. So that is why this particular zone is considered a very, very important zone in Vastu. So it is nothing but the south zone, which is again a 22.5-degree wide zone. Okay. So it is the last, clockwise, it is the last zone of the fire element. After this, we have the earth element starting. Okay. So you need to understand this particular zone is so very important as it is lying at the boundary of a negative zone. It is lying adjacent to a negative zone. So that is a very serious issue, because just adjacent to this particular zone, we have the south of southwest zone, which is a negative zone when it is considered with respect to our health. Okay. So that is why, let's say you have built a toilet in the considering it to be the south of southwest. Okay. But let's say mistakenly, for some orientation problem, for some degree change, you have actually built the toilet seat in the south slot, in the south zone. So that is very risky. Okay. Because the negative attributes or the negative impact of this particular southern zone is bad. It's very bad because it deals with your name and fame. Okay. So without wasting any more time, let me dive deep into the energy field that is present in this particular zone. Okay. Because this is the end of the fire element zone. So in the southeast zone, we have the starting fire. Okay. In the southeast, we have the main uh, energy of the fire element, the confidence, the power that is present. And in the south, we have that energy of the fire element, which is for relaxation, for the ultimate result of the fire element. Okay. That fire element which gives us soul satisfaction. That is the energy of this particular zone. So let us talk about the various attributes that are that we have with respect to this zone. So I'll just go to the PPT, and you can see here Okay, first let me show you the zone. So you can see here the south zone, right? This is the south zone. So end of the fire element. From here, from south of southwest, we'll have the earth element starting. Okay. So you need to be very careful that, for example, let's say you were saying, I have my bed over here in the south part, but let's say your head is actually falling in this particular part. That will create issues in your health. Okay. So that is why this particular direction is very very important. So what are the attributes of this particular zone? It is it deals with your relaxation. It deals with your name and fame. Okay, how famous you are going to get, how famous you are. If the south zone is balanced, you will get fame. You will get fame automatically, no matter what. Many people do not work much, or do not work in a huge impacting way, but still they get fame. They are always in the limelight. So they have a very good south zone, very good balanced south zone. Okay, that is the fire energy of this particular zone. Let's say you suppose you are working somewhere and you get the satisfaction out of it, right? That is because of a balanced south zone. Many people work and they do not get satisfied with their job, or they are not like, okay, fine, I'm working for money, but are not satisfied. So they have a very imbalanced south zone. Okay, so relaxation after eating. Let's say you ate something and you have a dinner or you have a lunch. The sleep that you get after the eating, that relaxed state, that is because of this zone. If this zone is not balanced, what will happen? Let's say you have taken your lunch. After that, you feel like, okay, stressed out, or like not feeling good. Okay, not feeling sleepy, like that. So mainly, many people wants fame in their life. Okay, how good people know them. So that is ruled by this particular zone, by the energy of this particular zone. Okay, if you have a bedroom over here, it is the best position, best location for your bedroom. Because ultimately, why do you sleep? Because of relaxation. You want to relax. So this is the best zone. Okay, maybe if someone in your house is having a difficulty in sleeping, like they are having too much problems, like if they have anxiety, then look for the east of southeast, you know already, right? First treat that, and then make them sleep in the south direction, south zone. And then change the see the change. You just need to utilize the energies efficiently, that's it. And these videos are for your knowledge, so that you have the knowledge of the energies in the various directions. Only then you will be able to apply it or use it efficiently. So if you have a kitchen, so it is again one of the best positions for kitchen. But remember for all the, like, southeast, southeast, south, for all these fire zones, remember to not use a black color slab. Okay, and under the flame, that will create problems, right? And you know what to use. So red, brown, green can be the slab color. And if the energy is highly imbalanced, it is high, then you can use yellow color. Okay, Can you have a temple? No, you should not have a temple here. um, it takes you away from name and fame. And if you have toilet, see, the problem will be that you will be defamed, right? So that is the issue. Again, you will not be able to sleep in a relaxed way. Insomnia kind of problems that will happen. Okay, but main problem is fame gets very bad. Okay, you will be defamed without any reason or like that. So try to balance this. I know many of you cannot balance it because cannot remove the toilet, because maybe you are staying in some flat or somewhere where it is not possible to move. So try to do the remedies: red tape, copper strip, whatever you are comfortable with, do it. But yes, these remedies will lower the uh, problem, but will not entirely stop it. Okay, understand this, because still that thing is present over there. Yes, you will find changes, you will see there is good progress, you will see good changes. Okay, but completely 100% I have not seen. I am not claiming that, because since you are having that bad energy placed in a very good energy zone, that will have a impact. Okay, so it is always better to entirely remove it, but if you cannot, at least you can do the remedy, right? And as remedy, what you are doing, you are simply um, trying to cut out the energy. That's it. You are just cutting out that particular negative entity from there, using the color of that particular zone or the metal of that particular zone. That's it. Okay, and it works. I should not say it doesn't work, but yes, 100%, not certainly. Okay, so I hope you got some ideas of why this particular zone is so important in our life, and why it should be very much balanced. So if you have someone in your house who is dealing with these kind of problems, then make sure they have a very good balanced south zone. Okay, if it is not, try to balance it. Now you know how to do it, right? So thank you for watching. um, if you have any queries, any doubts regarding these particular things, any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.